Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our previous video, we successfully built the product registration system. But in the real world marketplace, sellers often need to change their prices, update their service descriptions, or even replace their product images. So today we are focusing on the product update logic. This is a critical feature for our Skillshop platform that ensures data flexibility while maintaining high security. I'm going to show you how we fetch the exciting data into our update form, validate the changes, and securely synchronize everything with the database. Whether it is a small price adjustment or a complete image overhaul, we have designed this process to be seamless for the seller. Let's dive into the code and see how it works. This is our website. I click this go to dashboard button. I log in as a seller so I can see my dashboard. This is the seller dashboard. So I can see our skills. In the top of our page you can see dashboard and new skills button, total earnings, total buyers, active skills and average ratings. If I want to change my skill, I should click this edit button and then I turn into the edit page. So I can edit this product. I can edit this title, description and category and price. Also I can change this level and status. If I want to change the image, I can upload image and click this update product button. So this is the process of our edit product page. So finally you can see our product was updated. So let's dive into the code. Before the user sees anything, the PHP script runs several safety checks to ensure only the authorized seller can access the data. We start with session start to track the user. If they are not logged in, they are immediately redirected to the index page. The code verifies the user's role. If the account type is not seller, access is denied. We captured the ID from the URL using $get. We then query the database to find a product that matches both this ID and the logged in user's seller ID. This prevents unauthorized users from editing products that don't belong to them. Once verified, we fetch all product details into a $sign product array and retrieve all categories to populate our drop-down menu later. So I turn into my website and click sign out. Then I sign in as a buyer. So I input my email address and password. Next I click sign in button. And then I change URL to productedit.php and next I click enter. You can see we turn into the home page. If we are a seller, we can log into productedit.php page, but if we are a buyer, we can't log into this page. And the HTML and PHP work together to show the seller exactly what they have previously saved. A small but essential UX feature is the back button, allowing the seller to return to their dashboard easily. And every input field uses the value attribute to display current data, such as PHP core, $product title. This saves the seller from retyping everything. We display the current image above the upload area. We explicitly mention that uploading a new image is optional. If left empty, the system will retain the old one. For category, level and status, we use a ternary operator inside the option tag to check if the database values match, automatically setting it to selected. And this part of the code handles the live field of the page without requiring a reload. We reuse our professional upload zone logic. It includes event listener for drag over and drop to change the UI state and handle file selection. When a new image is selected, the file reader generates an instant preview so the seller can see the change immediately. The Remove Image button allows the user to clear their new selection and revert to the optional upload state without losing the current database image. The submission process is handled in the background for a faster, smoother experience. The e.prevent default method stops the page from refreshing when the Update Product button is clicked. We create a form data object and append the product ID along with all update text and files. We send this data to productupdateprocess.php. If the response is success, the page redirects back to itself with the success flag in the URL, triggering a green alert box. If validation fails, the show error function displays the message and smoothly scrolls the window to the top so the seller sees it instantly. Now let's turn into our product update process.php file. The script starts by checking the $sign session to ensure only a logged in user with a seller role can proceed. Before making any changes, we query the database to verify that the product ID actually belongs to the user ID currently logged in. This prevents unauthorized users from editing products they don't own. We capture all incoming $sign post data into a structured $sign data array, applying trim, int12 and float12 to ensure correct data types. Instead of messy if-else blocks, we use a clean validation array. It checks for title length, valid categories, and ensures the price is a positive value. If any condition fails, it sends a specific error message back to the front end. The most technical part of the script is how it handles product images. By default, the script keeps the exciting image URL from the database. This allows the seller to update text details without being forced to re-upload an image. If a new image is provided in $sign files, we perform a full security check. This includes verifying the MIME type, JPG, PNG, and enforcing a 5 MB size limit. We generate a unique file name using a combination of the user ID, timestamp, and random bytes to prevent any file name conflict on the server. We use the database IUD method with a prepared statement to update the product table. This protects the platform from SQL injection. If the database update is successful and a new image was uploaded, the script automatically uses at unlink to delete the old image file from the server. This prevents storage clutter. If the update fails for any reason, the script is programmed to delete the newly uploaded temporary file to prevent orphan data. And that wraps up our deep dive into the product update backend logic. By implementing secure ownership checks, strict data validation, and smart image cleanup routines, we have ensured that our platform remains professional and efficient for every seller. Thank you so much for joining me in this session, and I'll see you again with another video. So have a nice day all, and goodbye.